Welcome to this lab. My name is Hamid.
My name is Zoe. Let us show you how we make a batch of paint.
I'm going to show you how we make a waterborne paint. So making the waterborne paint is a two-step process. The first step consists of incorporating some special ingredients called pigments into the water. So incorporation of these ingredients in water is not an easy job because we have huge scientific background and experience. We can do it in a perfect way here. Pigments also are one of the most important ingredients in the paint, and they are responsible for opacity and the color. We want to disperse these pigments into the water. So it is very important that we add these pigments slowly, and as I'm adding the powders, I increase the shear speed of the mixer. And when we get this donut shape, it means that we are doing our job perfectly. So when we completely added all the powders to this solution, we have to wait at least 15 minutes. The stage one of making this waterborne paint, which was dispersion process, has finished. So I will leave it with my colleague Zoe. So she will continue with the stage two.
Cool, so what we will do now is add our dispersed pigments into our resin, which is the main thing that holds our coating together. So I'm going to turn this on to get my resin stirring a little bit. These stirrers don't go anywhere near as fast as the ones that we're dispersing in there. I will slowly add my mill base to my letdown. As I'm pouring this in, I'm making sure it's slowly so they have time to come together. And I'm just letting them make sure the stirrer is up fast enough for them to be fully mixed. While these are the two main stages of making the paint, the mill base and the letdown, there are some other additives that go in to this combined part of the mixture. So the reason we make it in two parts is the mill base needs certain properties, like Hamid showed before, so that everything can be dispersed. The resin, which is the main thing in the letdown that it's being added to, doesn't need all of that and would mean that the mill base has too much volume. So we have to put them into two stages, and we have to be careful when they combine them so they mix in properly. Once the mill base and letdown are fully combined and we've added any extras, that's when we take the paint off and do all of our testing on it elsewhere.